out, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Check it out, y'all. You don't stop. Check it out, y'all. Check it out, y'all. You don't stop.
I'm never holding back, cause life I like to live. It give me props on the style plus the high octave. I give my thanks, yup. Plus you used to come to all the shows to hear me rip it in the wood. You dug the style, I got the goods. Couldn't figure out why you had to wait a bit. Now it's my time, I hit you with the 411 shit. You bit your tongue some ideas ago. Now you're all my confidence, sense, and all along you love the way that I commence. Time and time, you love to hear a odd hook or two. Said she was a looker, but a tad bit better. Swear to never not needed. Heed the words I'm never, but you love me more. Cause I heard you dug my what, you dug my style. I speak towards the youth, but rather anyone who's rocking beats and knocking. Cause my man won't hook me up lovely with the track backed up with the ill verses. Comic curses get my point across. No, I never front on you, know I give you more, I never give you less. Gotta do my best to let the stress not get to me. I'm caught up in the rhythm of the ill funk. I got a million odd ways to keep it lit. Bitches talk big shit, men they're begging for a lick. Pick your pride up after I commence to knock you down. Sounds are getting wide and the lyrics start to get open. Yo, I never front and that's my word. Gotta keep your faith in me, like I said, I never let you down. Sounds that get you open, make you get buck wild. Right now, I know I'm sure you like my style. To go, even though I do my best to keep it real and rather humble. And no, I won't mumble when I flip it. I rip it with the best. I turn the stress into positive energy. I give my thanks to those who can't stand the thought of me. See, you keep me pressed with intent to get better, like never let her or let me get too hyped. The mic it sounds much better with my dialect. I hum along to a tune I conjured up in my head. Said, follow me now. I do my best to keep it real. Still, you couldn't understand why I sounded quite nice, quite right, like your lava smell MC. I be